Okay, hi everyone. Today we're just going to do a bit of foam rolling. Okay, so to start off, we're just going to grab our foam roller. Whatever one you have at home, doesn't matter if it doesn't have the little bumps on it, the little ridges. We're going to start off with our calf. Okay, so just popping the foam roller underneath the calf. I'm going to bring my hands behind me, so I'll just rub it down a tiny bit more there. Hands are behind me, I'm just going to lift up and slowly roll myself down. Okay, so I'm putting most of my weight onto my calf here. My hands are just for support, like you can take this leg off if you want as well, but it is a lot harsher. Nice big deep breaths as you're going up and down. If you find any little tender spots and you feel like you want to hold on that spot, you can as well. Okay, so you're going to go for about 30 seconds, take a little rest, and then you can get going again. Okay, so we would do the same thing then with the other calf. So I'm just doing one leg at a time, I just find it easier. Then we're going to move on to our hamstrings. So popping the foam roller just at the bottom of my hamstrings above my knee here. Again, hands behind for a little support. And just putting all that weight. You can adjust your hands if you need to. Put all that weight onto the hamstrings. And rolling up and down. So going right from above the back of the knee, all the way up to the glutes. Again, about 30 seconds, take a little rest, and then you can go again. You're going to do this on both sides as well. If you want to take the other leg off, you can. Okay, just go with what feels comfortable for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to foam roll your glutes. So one, we can kind of sit up. I'm going to come into my little figure of four, so my piriformis stretch. So bringing one ankle over onto the other knee. You can roll like this, okay? Sometimes it can be a little bit uncomfortable. So if you find that this is too intense, you can just pop that leg down. So you can start off nice and simple, just up and down along the back. And if you want, you can kind of tilt over to the side and up along the side of the hip here. Okay. Again, nice and slow, just going as far as is comfortable for you. So again, we would be doing that on both sides. I'm just showing them a single side at a time. Okay, so I'm going to show you the inside of the leg next. So instead of having my roller this way, I'm just going to put it a long ways beside my mat. Okay, so one leg's down. I'm just going to bring my knee out. Okay, so just perpendicular to the other leg. And onto the forearms, I'm just going to gently roll out and in. Again, this is a bit of an uncomfortable one, so take your time with it. Focusing on your breathing as you're rolling in and out. If you want to stop on any tender spots and hold for maybe 5-10 seconds, you can do as well. Okay, so again, repeating myself, but you will be doing this on the other side as well. So next, I'm going to show you the quads. So front of the leg this time. So you can kind of focus more on the hip, or you can just go the whole way up. So we'll start here at the hip. Again, just leaning my weight onto it nice and slowly. Okay, so I'll just take it in sections. So I'm just going to start off up here. If you want, you can bring your roller down to more near the knee. And roll your way down. And okay, nice and slow. Again, you're going to hit a few nice little tender spots. So if you want to hold on them, once they're not too uncomfortable, you can work away. So I just hold them for maybe 5-10 seconds and then move on with the rest of your rolling. Okay, so To finish up, I'm just going to show you a nice stretch that you can do with the roller. So I'm just going to come into child's pose, so I'm sitting onto my heels. I would have my shoes off. Okay, so sides of my hands are on the roller. Thumbs are facing up. Big deep breath in, and then as I'm breathing out, I'm just going to roll forward, letting my wrists come onto the roller and hold here. So my head is coming down in between my arms. We'll take some nice big deep breaths here. And also, if you want, you can roll forward and back. Okay, so it's just giving you that extra little bit of stretch along here. And then hold it where it's comfortable for you.